Got a cold steel. Website said this is a pocket knife. That's pretty cool. Got the cold steel Mayhem pocket knife. S35 VN. Got the Atlas lock. It's the blackout stonewash blade. It's a good EDC size pocket knife. Very cool. Made in Taiwan. Let's see. Here's a little native for comparison. And McB for comparison. There. Looks like a good handy little pocket knife. There's plenty of room. You can almost get 2 4-finger grips on it. Yeah, you can get 2 4-finger grips on it. Blade's got a nice belly. Good little point. It's pretty thin at the tip. Want to be a little careful at the tip. See anything else on here? It's a cool little lock. Just slide it. Snaps it shut. Feels pretty strong. Didn't close. Yeah. Looks like a good handy little knife. Very cool. I like that dark stone wash on here. Cold steel. So I got this good looking little pocket clip. It's reversible if you're left-handed. Sweet. Oh, I didn't even see the other. It comes with the left-hand pocket clip. So you could put that on and then have 2 pocket clips. Change your pockets. Change what side pocket you want it on. But I think I'll just keep 1 clip. That is one wicked looking blade. That's cool. Drop shut. Drop open. So yeah, it's a cool little EDC knife. Goes through material pretty good. Let's see. Oops. Nice. Still has a good sharp edge. Got a little ding there. Shouldn't chop wood like that right against the ground. But I'll just strap that out. And here it is, the Cold Steel Mayhem pocket knife. It's a handy little thing. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.